Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to Apple device. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part also to find a similar path to the settings. Now let's get started. So you need to open settings and then go to accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down, and you need to find audio adjustment, also located on stock Android at the bottom. And right here we have volume balance. Now if you have a problem with the right earbud, you need to move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance for you, because now we increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud, and if you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and we increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings, and we need to also go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. So enter into accessibility, then scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have volume balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you just move this slider to the left, but you need to find a good balance, because now we just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right earbud, and if you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move the slider to the right, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!